about? What are you having a talk about? Hello, beautiful girl. Say hi, Grandma, and everyone else. Hi, Grandma and Auntie Terry. Hi. Hello, Auntie Debbie. Hello. Hello, Auntie Stace. Goodbye, everyone.